Hey, what's up internet? Tomas Peter here. I am a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and I made thousands of dollars editing videos. And in this video, I would like to do a project breakdown of my showreel. I consider this as one of the secrets to my success on Upwork. Yeah. Basically, this is like my work showcase. Yeah, like in 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'm gonna show my recent work, introduce myself a little bit to the client, so the client can see my face, and a little bit of my work, Let's check the video. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Tomas Peter and I'm a 25 years old professional video editor from the Czech Republic. Recently, I was hired full-time by a digital marketing company called OneAMS and I edited an entire YouTube playlist of about 100 Grow Marketers podcast episodes and other marketing videos. Another channel I was working on is called Tracking Travis Peterbilt Dallas. I helped this client to gain around 5,000 subscribers and significantly increase views and sales for his business. Apart from that, I have experience editing various types of videos, including YouTube tutorials for my own channel, where I teach people how to make money editing videos. As you can see, this is me 3 years ago. I made a serious investment and upgraded almost everything. I use the best editing software, which is Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and plus I do some basic graphic design in Photoshop if it's needed. After 4 years of freelancing, I ended up with a 100% job success rate and a top-rated badge, and most of my clients were satisfied with my work. And I'm planning to do even better this year. So if you are interested, hit me up on Upwork and let's work. Okay, so that's the video, as you can see, I use my old showreel as a template, you can see here at the bottom, on the track 1, if we disable this. So here is my old showreel, that I use as a template, As you can see, the purple parts are the talking head part, The blue ones is just the B-roll, of my work. Here is another talking head. Purple talking head. And the yellow parts are some motion graphics, or the client giving me a good review. And the end screen here. So that's my strategy that I used, for this project, So now let's check the old showreel actually. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Tomas Peter and I'm a 22 years old professional video. Actually, let's make this bigger. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Tomas Peter and I'm a 22 years old professional video editor from Czech Republic. Recently, I've been working on promo videos, YouTube shows, vlogs, product review videos, and much more. I use the best editing software, which is Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. Plus, I do some basic graphic design work in Adobe Photoshop if it's needed. After the first year of freelancing, I ended up with 100% job success rate, and most of my clients were satisfied with my work. And I'm planning to do even better this year. So hit me up on Upwork and let's work. Yep, So that's the old showreel, yeah, that I used as a template, yeah, and here is the recent one, yeah. So now let's do little bit of the project breakdown, yeah. Yeah, I think the key part here is that to keep it nice and short, yeah, up to 2 minutes. The shorter the better, yeah. The faster you can introduce yourself, the better, right? So yeah, as you can see, this one is 1 minute 40, and the new one is even shorter. I made it 134, yeah. Yeah, so as we can see, like it's separated into these parts, yeah. The talking head part, yeah. At the beginning, I want to show my face to the client, yeah. I want to show my setup, yeah, my computers. After that, we got some B-roll, yeah, of my work, yeah. That this is my recent client, yeah. I'm gonna show my recent work, yeah. This is like 1 second clips. Let's check how long this is. I think it's like a 1 second each. Yeah, it's 1 second each. Yeah, so I'm showing my recent client work, yeah. Well, this is a YouTube channel called 1IMS. Then I'm gonna show another recent client, which is Tracking Travis Peterborough Dallas, yeah. Another YouTube channel. Yeah, then I'm talking about my own channel. Yeah. And then I'm just showing random work that I have done in the past, yeah. Yeah, and then I'm scrolling through these YouTube channels. Yeah, this is 1IMS, yeah, and Tracking Travis, and here is my channel, yeah. So I'm gonna show these YouTube channels that I work for, yeah. Yeah, here is a section where I show myself in the past, yeah. I use some tint effect, yeah, to make it, or some saturation to 0 effect, yeah, just to make it black and white, basically, yeah. Yeah, and there is some VHS overlay effect as well, yeah. We got some glitch transitions. So that's basically me in the past, yeah, like 3 years ago. So the client can see like the difference, yeah, the progress that I made, yeah, 3 years ago. Yeah, I got old monitors, yeah, and now I can show my new setup, yeah, so the client can see the progress. Yeah, here is another talking head part video, yeah. Again, I'm showing my face to the client, right? Yeah, my setup. Yeah, here is a section where I show my like customer satisfaction messages, yeah. Basically some proof that my client is satisfied with my work, yeah. In my previous showreel, I showed the Upwork reviews, yeah. In this case, I'm showing messages from my client, yeah, Tracking Travis, yeah. He's just sending me messages that he's satisfied with my work. Yeah, thanks for helping me to get 1,000 subscribers. Let's continue to grow the channel. Looks great, please publish. Yeah, here is I saw that grade was published, sent to the customer, and he really likes it. Also had another new customer call within 20 minutes of the video being posted. Thank you. So here we can see the satisfied customer, yeah. Again, here is some transitions. And back to me, talking head part, yeah, again, I'm showing my face to the client and my setup, yeah. And at the end, we got my Upwork profile screenshot, yeah, of my face, 100% job success and top rated badge, yeah. And a little motion graphic hit me up on Upwork that I used from the previous video, yeah. Which is coming like back from the right side, yeah. Yeah, like a little flashback to the past or something, yeah. And yeah, that's when it comes to the video part. Now let's check a little bit of the music, yeah. Yeah, so let's see what we got here, yeah. So when I was searching for the music, I was searching for a music like a techno. Yeah, of course I increase the volume when there is a silent part, when I don't speak, yeah. Here, when we got the part of me returning to the past, I chose some music that's a little bit like lower volume, right? A little bit more calm than the rest. As you can see, this is me 3 years ago. Yeah, I think it suits nicely in this case, yeah. And the rest is, of course, a little bit more dynamic. Yeah. Graphic design in Photoshop if it's needed. Yeah. And that's pretty much it, yeah. When it comes to music, yeah. Just make it louder when there is a silent part, yeah. Use something more calm when I returning myself to the past, and that's it, yeah. Yeah, and it's a techno music that I was searching on Envanto Elements. I think this music fits really nice to this video. I think this video overall, I'm very satisfied with this. I think it turned out very good. So that's basically it. That's the project breakdown of my work showreel. Yeah, so once again, yeah, I consider this as a secret to success on Upwork. Yeah, basically, I'm sending this, I place this video on top of my portfolio. Yeah, so that's the first thing that the client see when they open up my portfolio. Yeah, so they can just check this video and see my recent work. Yeah, in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yeah. Also, I place this video to my Upwork profile. Yeah. So whoever opens my Upwork profile, yeah, there is this introductory video of me. So whenever the client opens my Upwork profile, yeah, here they can see, here is my video, right? So they can check it out and they immediately know who am I. They see my face, they see my recent work. Yeah, in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yeah, they get a good idea who is this person, right? I place this video on my Upwork profile, in my portfolio on the top. I think that's pretty much it what I wanted to say in this video. If you are interested in more video editing tutorials and more make money editing videos, subscribe to this channel. I post weekly content about this stuff. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.